Hi friends, in this video we are going to see that how to determine whether we should use the Laurent series or Taylor series. Now many times we are asked questions in which you are given a function f of z, and generally this is the most generalized structure I could tell you for now, and that is you are given something like f of z equals 1 upon z minus z0. Here z0 is the singularity, but this kind of function you are given and you are asked to expand this function about some point. So now you are just asked to find, means you are just asked to expand the function f of z, but which series you are going to use, whether you are going to expand that function using Laurent series or Taylor series. How will you determine that? How will you decide which to use? So to be able to understand that, we will see some quick facts about both of the series, and that will help us to answer this question. So first, whenever you are given a function f of z, 1 upon z minus z0, or it could be some more complicated version of function also, but just for a simple case, suppose you are given a structure like this. Now you see that whether this z0 is an isolated singularity or not. If that is an isolated singularity, then your answer is straightforward. You are going to use Laurent series for the expansion of that particular f of z. But in case it is not a isolated singularity, then you have to check that how does the region look like, whether it is an annulus region like this, so you are going to use Laurent series. If the region is inside the circle, then you are going to use Taylor series, and if the region is outside the circle, then you are going to use Laurent series. Now among these three, these two are very straightforward, because when we define Laurent and Taylor series, we define them like for Laurent series we define this series for a ring shaped region. So it is very much similar like this annulus region. So once you have a ring shaped or annulus region, you must know that you are going to use Laurent series, and the Taylor series is for the circular region. So when you have a region inside the circle, of course you are going to use Taylor series, but for the outside the circle, this kind of region, you are going to use Laurent.